Hello friends, today we'll study about chemical kinetics. So what is chemical kinetics? Chemical kinetics is the branch of chemistry which tells us about the rate of reaction and its mechanism. Okay, so what is rate of reaction? Rate of reaction is the change in concentration of reactant or change in concentration of product with respect to time. Okay, so if we represented a reaction R changes to P, then what will be the rate of reaction? Rate of reaction will be equals to change in concentration of reactant, that is delta R upon delta T, and there will be negative sign because reactant's concentration decreases over the time, and it will be also equals to change in concentration of P upon the change in time. Right, now this reactant concentration is represented by the square bracket, and also the product concentration is also represented by square bracket. Right, now this is the average rate of reaction, means over the whole range of time you calculate the change in concentration. Now if we want to find out the instantaneous rate of reaction, that is at particular time you have to find out the rate of reaction. For example, you have to find the rate of reaction in short time like 600 seconds and all. Then what will you use the term? Instead of delta you will use D, so it will become minus D R upon dt, and this will becomes D concentration of P upon dt. So this is instantaneous rate and this is average rate, right? Now the rate of reaction when it is very slow, for example, you can take the example of slow reaction, right? Like carbonization, okay, and formation of which is formation of coal and rusting of iron. These are slow reaction. Their rate of reaction is comparatively slow. And the fast reactions are like you dissolve sugar or you dissolve salt in water, it completely dissolves, and it's very fast reaction. Okay, so its rate is high. Now this was all about when the coefficient is 1 of reactant and product. What about if the coefficient is more than 1? For example, you take the reaction of, for example, you have given a reaction 2HI gas changes to H2 gas plus I2 gas. Okay, so here the coefficient is 2, here 1, and here also 1. So now what will be the rate of reaction for this? In terms of reactant, it will be equals to, rate will be equals to 1 by 2 minus change in concentration of HI upon delta T, right? And this will be delta of concentration of H2 upon delta T, and this will be equals to delta I2 upon delta T. So the coefficient gets divided. Okay, so based on this we will find a solution to a problem. Let's see a problem. So let us see this problem. A reaction is given that 2N2O5 gas gives 4NO2 gas plus oxygen gas. Okay, so you have to find out the average rate of reaction and the rate of change of NO2 upon time, and you have been given that the change of time is 184 minutes and the concentration of N2O5 is 0.0 2.33 mole per liter initially, and after 184 minutes it is 2.08 mole per liter, right? So how will you find out the average rate of reaction? You know that average rate of reaction is equals to, since it is 2 here, we'll write 1 minus 1 by 2 because it is reactant, and then change in concentration of N2O5 upon delta T. So delta T we know 184, and change in concentration of N2O5 is also given in question, that is final 2.08 minus initial 2.33 upon delta T is 184 minutes. Now if we want to convert it in seconds or in hour, you can divide by 60 and so on, and you can convert the unit as it is what you want. So it will be mole per liter, it will be minute. So the final unit will be in mole per liter per minute. So this will you will get the average rate of reaction. Now how to find out the rate of change of NO2 over time? So for that, the rate of average rate of reaction is also equals to 1 by 4 of change in NO2 upon में delta T. You know rate of average rate of reaction, so you will just multiply it by 4 and you will get the change of NO2 over time. So this was all about the chemical kinetics. I hope you understood all the topic. Thank you.